This graphic shows the entire ITIL version 3 set of 26 processes arranged by service lifecycle phase, along with 4 functions or departments that ITIL v3 specifies. In the lower right-hand corner you see a legend that shows what's new in ITIL v3 and what was carried over from prior versions. This legend is included to help you better understand and communicate how ITIL has evolved. Especially when discussing ITIL with people familiar only with prior versions, an ITIL foundation course covers the purpose, objectives, and scope of 21 out of 26 of these processes. Critical questions about ITIL processes include what can you do at the individual, team, or organizational level to get started at driving in a more focused way towards the outcomes of each process? How do you know if the purpose and objectives of each process are being achieved, and if you've got the right scope for each process? An ITIL foundation course also covers the role and objectives of these 4 functions or departments and organizational structural options for the service desk function. Let's have a look at the 5 ITIL v3 service strategy processes, starting with strategy management for IT services. Strategy management for IT services is about ensuring we have a strategy defined that guides and aligns our services, that clarifies the customers and markets we serve, that differentiates our position and value proposition in the market overall and for each service, and that guides the management of our current and future services, capabilities, and resources. Service portfolio management is about ensuring our investments in service management deliver value by maximizing portfolio returns at acceptable levels of risk and making appropriate changes to the service portfolio when conditions change. Financial management for IT services aims to ensure we can accurately account for IT costs. It helps ensure that cost data is mapped back to categories and services in a helpful format for investment and budgeting decisions. Where we choose to charge back for services, it helps ensure we have a transparent pricing algorithm, a chargeback goal, and a charging system that meets that goal. Demand management is about ensuring we understand and influence service demand and provide capacity to meet that demand. Avoiding insufficient capacity, which would negatively impact service quality, and excess capacity, which adds cost without adding any value. Business relationship management is about maintaining a positive relationship with customers by identifying customer needs and ensuring those needs are met to an appropriate catalog of services.